Weather is one of the most fascinating parts of our environment. It affects how we live, what we wear, and even how we feel each day. In this lesson, learn about some beautiful and powerful weather phenomena such as storms, thunder, lightning, rainbows, and hail. Each of these is nature's way of showing the power and wonder of the atmosphere. Weather is the condition of the air around us at a particular time and place. It includes elements like temperature, wind, humidity, rainfall, and visibility. Weather can change quickly. Sometimes it is sunny and warm, and at other times it becomes cloudy and rainy. Understanding weather helps us make daily decisions, such as what clothes to wear or when to carry an umbrella. A storm is a strong and sudden disturbance in the atmosphere that often brings heavy rain, wind, thunder, and lightning. Storms occur when warm and cold air masses meet and release a large amount of energy. They can vary in strength from mild showers to intense systems like hurricanes and cyclones. Storms show how powerful nature's forces can be. Thunder is the loud sound that follows lightning. When lightning strikes, it heats the air around it to thousands of degrees in an instant. That sudden heating makes the air expand rapidly, creating a shock wave that we hear as thunder. The deeper and longer rumbles often mean the lightning is farther away, while sharper cracks usually mean it is closer. Lightning is a bright flash of electricity in the sky. It happens when electrical charges build up inside storm clouds or between a cloud and the ground. The difference in charge becomes so great that electricity jumps across, releasing light, heat, and energy. Lightning can be very powerful and dangerous, so it is important to stay indoors during storms. A rainbow appears when sunlight passes through tiny drops of rain in the air. The light bends or refracts and spreads into 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Together, they form a beautiful arc across the sky. A rainbow reminds us how sunlight and water combine to create one of nature's most colorful spectacles. Hail is formed when raindrops are carried upward into very cold parts of a storm cloud by strong winds. In those freezing areas, the water droplets turn into ice and grow layer by layer as they move up and down in the cloud. When they become too heavy, they fall to the ground as small balls of ice. Hail can damage crops, vehicles, and buildings. Weather phenomena happen because of energy from the sun and changes in air movement. The sun heats Earth's surface, causing water to evaporate into the air. Warm air rises and cools, forming clouds. Differences in temperature and pressure create wind and storms. Eventually, moisture returns to Earth as rain, snow, or hail, completing the water cycle. Weather influences nearly every part of life. Farmers plan planting and harvesting based on rainfall and temperature. Travelers check weather forecasts for safety. People choose clothing and outdoor activities depending on the day's weather. By studying weather, communities can prepare for storms, protect crops, and respond to changes in climate more effectively. Weather describes the condition of the atmosphere at a certain time and place. Storms involve powerful winds and rain. Thunder is the sound caused by lightning's heat. Lightning is an enormous electric spark. Rainbows appear when sunlight bends through raindrops, splitting into different colors. Hail forms as frozen rain inside storm clouds. Understanding these weather phenomena helps explain the amazing balance and energy of Earth's atmosphere.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.